What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Arku's Garage. As you can see behind me, we're at my garage. We got the Lexus here, and today's product review is gonna be on these Daytona Harbor Freight jack stands. Since I bought them with my own money, I figured, hey, why not do an unboxing video, do a little product review, and see how well they are, and give it a go. Are you guys ready? Because I am. Let's get after it. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. So right here, we got the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands with a locking pin. So we got two in the box. They can hold up to 6,000 pounds. So far, so good. I like that. In terms of some of the dimensions, looks like the minimum height is right around 12 inches to a max height of about 17 inches. And we'll do some measurements as well. So, not bad. So let's unbox this bad boy. And there we go. We got it unboxed. It comes with a nice owner's manual. It's really easy to set up, and I'll show you how exactly. So here we got both of the jack stands. As we can see, we have a nice little stop arm. So you lift it up to the proper height. The stop arm is going to stop it. If we want to lock it in place, we have a two locking mechanism. So we have this nice little prism right here that we just pop into its designated hole. And on the other side, we have this little snap ring that just holds it into place so that it's not going to go anywhere, and it's really secure. And actually, that's really nice. So these are pretty well built, I'll be honest. The weld seams look to be in a really good formation, so I like that. Ooh, I really like these grab handles. There's a rubber grab handle on here, and brings all the way up to that 17 or 18 inches of height. And we lock into place. And we drop the pin in. And it ain't going anywhere. So, really nice sleek design. Love the all black, the black on black. Some other jack stands have a black on a silver, but this is super fresh. The stand itself, I think, is going to be able to hold different type of attachments depending on the vehicle manufacturer. So there they are, really sleek, really nice. I'll link this product in the description below. But let's put these guys on the vehicle. So we're gonna start jacking up the Lexus. As always, put some type of stop on the opposite tires that you're gonna lift up. In this case, we're gonna lift up the rear. I got a couple rocks or stones that are gonna just hold the front tires while we're jacking up. On this Lexus, we're gonna use that little cross beam back here with our jack. We're gonna lift it up, and then we're gonna put the jack stands in place. Boom! So we can see very clearly that it's holding it, no issues, and we knew that. I mean, this is not a truck, it's not a big SUV, it's just a sedan, but look at that, thing's doing a great job. It's actually really easy to work with. That pin is really nice to have because now we know for sure this thing ain't going anywhere. And of course we got the lock, but this thing, great design, really sleek, and honestly for the price, you can't beat it. And that's what I really love about Harbor Freight is they are able to offer quality tools for a great price. So this is not sponsored by any means. I just think that their products work really well and they do a great job for the price that they are. So now we're gonna take the jack stands off. So lift up the car, take them off. Should be easy, but we'll do it for you. Okay guys, so what do I think of these Harbor Freight Daytona 3-ton jack stands? Well, I like them. They got really good build quality for the price that I paid for these. It's really a no-brainer. This is great for anyone starting to do any automotive work at home, in your garage. For a DIYer just like me, I love teaching you guys what I'm doing. If you're interested in this product, I'll link it in the description below. If you like these reviews and you want to see more Harbor Freight or other tools, please hit me up in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. More than happy to try things out to help grow this channel. This is a great addition to my garage. Now I can finally jack up all 4 wheels of any car. I have never had 4 jack stands, but with time, we're progressing. I'm Rami, this is RQ's Garage. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.